Iran's development of hypersonic missile technology in 2025 has captured global attention, signaling a new phase in the regional and international security landscape. This leap in missile capability, if fully verified, marks a significant advancement for Iran's defense industry and alters the strategic calculations of regional powers and global stakeholders. Hypersonic missiles are capable of flying at speeds exceeding Mach 5, making them extremely difficult to intercept by current air defense systems. They combine high speed, maneuverability, and the ability to fly at low altitudes, which makes them a formidable tool in modern warfare. In 2025, Iranian state media and defense officials claimed the successful development and testing of a new hypersonic missile named Fateh-2, an advancement of the previous version announced in 2023. According to Iranian sources, the Fateh-2 missile has a range exceeding 1,500 kilometers and is capable of maneuvering during its glide phase to evade missile defense systems such as Israel's Arrow system or U.S. deployed PED batteries. The missile is said to incorporate advanced solid-fuel propulsion and features a detachable warhead that can change trajectory mid-flight. These characteristics, if accurate, put Iran in a select group of nations including the US, China, and Russia that are capable of deploying hypersonic weapons. The strategic implications are vast. For Iran, the development of a hypersonic missile is not just about military strength but also political messaging. It sends a strong signal of deterrence to its adversaries and strengthens its hand in regional power dynamics, especially in the context of Israel, the Gulf states, and the broader U.S. military presence in the Middle East. Moreover, showcasing indigenous military technology serves to inspire national pride and convey self-sufficiency and defense capabilities, despite decades of international sanctions. However, many Western analysts have expressed skepticism about Iran's claims, pointing out the lack of independently verified test data or satellite imagery. Some experts believe that while Iran is making progress in missile technology, the capabilities of the Fateh-2 may be exaggerated for political purposes. Nevertheless, even if the missile's true performance is somewhat limited compared to top-tier hypersonic weapons, the psychological and strategic effect remains significant. On the diplomatic front, Iran's missile development is likely to further strain negotiations related to its nuclear program and increase pressure from the United States and European countries. The possibility of hypersonic technology being paired with the nuclear payload, even if currently unlikely, raises the stakes in any future conflict and complicates arms control efforts in the region. Iran's move in 2025 is not just a demonstration of military ambition, but a challenge to existing power structures and defense doctrines. Whether fully functional or not, the introduction of such a weapon has redefined threat assessments in the region. In the years ahead, the focus will remain on how Iran refines this technology, how regional rivals respond, and whether global powers can engage diplomatically to prevent a new arms race centered around hypersonic missiles.